Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the non-tradable symbol error in TradingView. If you are trying to place an order and TradingView says that a symbol is not tradable, this usually means the chart is visible, but your current broker connection does not allow trading for that specific symbol. So to start, open TradingView and go to the chart for the market that you want to trade. This can be a stock, forex pair, crypto pair, or any other symbol that you are checking. And before doing anything else, make sure the symbol is correct and that you are on the chart that you actually want to use. Next, try placing an order the normal way. You can use the trading panel at the bottom of the screen, or you can right click on the chart and choose the buy option. After that, enter the amount or lot size if needed, then try to send the order. And if the symbol is not supported by your current broker, TradingView will show the non-tradable symbol message. So to fix this, go down to the trading panel and check which broker is currently connected. The issue may happen because that broker does not support live trading for the symbol you selected. So click the broker section, then switch to another available broker option. So a simple option you can use is TradingView Paper Trading. Once you connect to paper trading, TradingView will place you in a practice trading account. So this lets you test orders without using real money. And it can also help you confirm that the problem is connected to your broker support, not the chart itself. Now, go back to the same chart and try placing the buy order again. Set the order details like before, then send it. So this time, the order should go through inside the paper trading account. You should also see it appear on the chart or in the orders and positions area. So that is the easy way to fix the non-tradable symbol error in the trading view. If the symbol does not work with your current broker, switching to paper trading is a quick way to test and continue practicing on that symbol. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.